The Speaker has barred the former ministers. They've been suspended pending inquiry. But Dhanya, the fact is that still no apology coming in, and the BJP and these ministers still say that they resigned because they didn't want to embarrass the party. They were not embarrassed about the act themselves.
Well, doesn't look like anyone's really embarrassed about the act. First, they outright lied yesterday. In fact, in that press conference, he kept on saying he was watching the clipping of rape and murder of women in the Middle East. Then he said that Krishna Palima, the Sports and Environment Minister, gave him a clipping of a rave party. He wanted to see what exactly rave parties are. So he, of course, admits that he saw both these clips of rape and murder and also of rave party, which, of course, he does not believe he did anything wrong. The second thing, they do not want to apologize. They've continuously maintained they're only resigning because they believe party is first and foremost, and the party has asked them to resign from their posts as ministers. Now, throughout the entire thing, of course, after the first reactions from the BJP asking these members to resign, after that, all the reactions coming in from the assembly here, from all the political leaders of the BJP in Karnataka have been extremely defensive. They are not letting any ground. In fact, even the Chief Minister telling us that why should we apologize, to whom should we apologize?